state board in graduation from Bhimrao Ambedkar University, Agra. There are 5 members in my family. My father is a businessman. My mother is a housewife. In free time, I like dance and singing. I am flexible, hardworking, and self-motivated. Thank you.
Okay. Very soon you complete your introduction only in just 2 minutes. It's nice. But what are you doing currently? In current time, what
मैम
are you doing? You are
क्या
doing
मैम
airline. Okay.
मैम मैम मेरा एयरलाइंस का सपना था क्योंकि मेरे को एयरलाइंस में जाना था, मेरे को कैबिन क्रू और स्पाइस जेट में जाना था।
Okay. But why couldn't you prepare of airline? What happened?
एयरलाइंस मैम, एयरलाइंस मतलब अच्छी 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 वो है, मतलब एयरलाइंस में बहुत मतलब बेनिफिट अच्छी मिलते हैं, उसमें जॉब अच्छी मिलती है मैम।
तो आपने ट्राई क्यों नहीं किया? Why shouldn't you try?
मैम मैं कर रहा हूँ ट्राई, क्योंकि मैं आगरा से कर रहा हूँ, मैं
Okay.
एमजी रोड से।
Okay. So, is there any how many years course this have? How many years duration?
मैम मेरा 1 साल का कोर्स है।
Okay. How can you speak in English? मेरा 1 साल का कोर्स है. Speak in English.
हाँ जी मैम, ओके।
Translate it into in your mind first, and then you speak.
हम आपको सीख जाएंगे सब
Yes.
इंग्लिश।
So you will try. You will try daily. Wow, how मतलब today you are free and you are not going anywhere for in your college or anywhere. You are free today.
मेरा मेरा कॉलेज मतलब मेरा दोपहर
अच्छा आफ्टरनून
दोपहर
टाइम.
का।
आफ्टरनून टाइमिंग का है कॉलेज.
हाँ मेरा आफ्टरनून टाइमिंग का है।
Okay. So how many hours have you spent in college? How many time you spent in your college? How many hours? कितने घंटे
मेरा
आप अपने कॉलेज में रहते हैं?
मैं 4 घंटे तो रहता हूँ कॉलेज में।
Okay. But Sahil, I would like to say कि your English is as always as usual. You have no extra command in English, na?
हाँ मैम, ओके ओके। एक्स्ट्रा एक्स्ट्रा में तो सीखना है मैम सब कुछ।
एक्स्ट्रा में सीखना है तो you should join my classes. Free classes.
हमारी एक तो मोनिका मैम अच्छी है ना, तो मोनिका मैम भी सिखाती हैं।
Which कौन सी मोनिका मैम?
मोनिका मैम है।
In which अच्छा in your college?
हाँ मेरे को सेंट पॉल्स में पढ़ाया है मोनिका मैम ने, खुद के
ओके.
कॉलेज में।
ओके. सेंट पॉल्स कॉलेज में मैंने भी पढ़ाया है. यू फॉरगॉट मी. मेरा नाम ही मोनिका है. माई सेल्फ ऑल्सो मोनिका. यू डिडंट रिकॉग्नाइज मी येट. अभी तक एक्चुअली मुझे अभी तक पहचाना नहीं आपने साहिल. मैंने आपको पहचान लिया. ओके. मैं भी आगरा से ही हूँ. आई एम फ्रॉम आगरा एंड आई हैड बीन टीचिंग एट सेंट पॉल्स इंटर कॉलेज, मोतीलाल नेहरू रोड. ओके. सो that's why I am asking Sahil Gupta. I have recognized you. You don't recognize me. Who am I? That's why I am asking you. Yes.
वो तो
Okay. So, anyways, so could you please tell me some sentences? I translate. You have to translate in English, and
मैम, मैम एक चीज है, मुझे ट्रांसलेट करने में तो दिक्कत होती है।
okay. ओके. तो ट्रांसलेशन में आपको क्या दिक्कत होती है? व्हाट टाइप ऑफ मतलब प्रॉब्लम यू फेस नॉर्मली? यू जस्ट टेल मी.
हाँ मैम, मुझे ट्रांसलेशन में ऐसे दिक्कत होती है, मतलब कोई भी सेंटेंस बनाता हूँ ना, तो मुझे को हिंदी टू इंग्लिश में नहीं आता वो ट्रांसलेट करना, वही
ओके.
दिक्कत होती है मुझे।
तो बिकॉज योर टेंसेस इज नॉट क्लियर, ना?
हाँ मैम.
Okay, so we will start from the beginning. You are a beginner student. You are a new student for me. So can you try small sentences जैसे मैं घर जाता हूँ, राम घर जाता है, वह खाना बनाती है, वह एक अच्छी लड़की है, like this, इस तरीके से सेंटेंस शुरू करें आपके लिए,
हाँ. हाँ, ओके ओके ओके.
because this is the beginning of you. Because ma'am, you told me something to Sahil. What type of English we can practice daily? Just tell him something and give him some tips.
Yes, yes. Monica ma'am, thanks and good afternoon
Good
to
afternoon.
both. Yes, Monica ma'am always try to introduce new things. She is working, a hard working lady, and she now trying to use phrasal verbs, idioms, all these things. In any situation, she may be what type of situation there may be, she tried to indulge herself in English, and like what is the sentence called in English. So she posted the blogs, all this. And but now in our class, sometimes we learn synonyms, sometimes grammar, modals, all these things. What we should learn new things. It will help to make our sentences and we can use in our daily life. So as we are beginner, we start from basic sentences. So it is good for us.
जी मैम.
So you attend only one day class or daily regular? You should join regular, na? Regularly.
Yes.
मैं रेगुलर करूँगा.
Yes. So what time you free? You get free. What time you get free? Hello. I think pause. Some network issue is there, na? Okay, so we will try some small sentences today. What would you say, Banita ma'am, if we try
Yes, yes.
small sentences?
You continue. Yes.
Okay.
No problem. Continue. No worry.
Okay, so according to the scenario which you have, Sahil, actually, so this is the beginning of yours, I think. According to me, जैसे कि you told me कि I have faced a lot of problem to frame the sentence, translation, na? So that's why I will suggest you कि you should learn from the beginning basic things. Basically, I would like to say, first of all, you learn basic things like na small sentences. After that we will try we have to increase the level of the sentence, by and by, slowly we can. Okay.
Ma'am, like sit down, give me, take it. Like in this
Yes.
sentence, it will help, I think.
Okay.
Yes.
So you should participate in this activity regularly. If you consistent, if you are serious learning something new, because whatever you studied, in which standard you studied, whatever is the vocational course you do, okay, in that area also, in that learning area also, English is very compulsory. इंग्लिश एक ऐसा सब्जेक्ट है जो कभी पीछा नहीं छोड़ सकता हमारा. एक इंग्लिश और एक मैथ्स, these two subjects are very very essential in our whole life.
Yes, you are absolutely right.
Now what would you say, Vanita ma'am? These two.
You are absolutely. Yeah, these twos are don't we can't deny.
We can't.
We should compulsory. We should do work on it compulsory, because in competitive exams we can use the numerous ability, maths, all this thing. English is compulsory, we know that, because without English we can't survive any competitive exam, all these things.
कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम, और व्हेनेवर आप किसी भी लाइन में जाइए, आप चाहे एयरलाइन की तैयारी करिए, चाहे आप किसी भी चीज़ की तैयारी करिए, बट यू हैव टू लर्न इंग्लिश बाय हुक और बाय क्रुक. one day
Yes, yes.
it's true, it's true thing according to me, na Sahil?
Yes.
Okay,
हाँ मैम
so this is very compulsory,
First,
whatever is there. अगर आपको इंग्लिश नहीं भी आती है तो भी आपको बोलना पड़ेगा, तो भी आपको बोलना पड़ेगा और आपको करना ही पड़ेगा,
Yes,
चाहे कुछ
yes.
भी हो जाए, क्योंकि इंग्लिश और मैथ्स के बिना तो जिंदगी खराब है, लाइफ
Yes,
है ही
yes.
नहीं है, देयर इज नो लाइफ विदाउट इंग्लिश और विदाउट मैथ्स, आई वुड से.
Imagine, because nowadays I also face the problem of by doing maths, all these things. So
All
I
these things.
aware about it.
Santosh ma'am is looking very bright. What are
Yes.
you, मतलब what are you doing in your face right now?
Nothing special. Yesterday it was my anniversary. Maybe because of that.
Oh,
Yes, yes.
belated
Happy
very happy
anniversary.
anniversary.
Okay. Yesterday.
Yesterday.
Belated, okay. Yeah, this is the noor
Thank you.
of anniversary. This is the noor of your face. I
Thank
would
you.
say.
Thank you.
You are looking stunning, chanting, and
Blushing.
gorgeous.
Oh my God.
I can say
Thank you for your compliment. Thank you, Vanita ma'am, Monica ji.
Okay,
So your session is going on.
yes. And
What
one
is the topic?
my ex-student is joining today, which I had taught him in inter college when I before marriage. I had taught him already in a inter college, so that's why he also attend today. Okay, so we start na basic things like na Sahil, you are ready? Are you ready?
yes मैम ready मैम
Okay. First you listen properly. After that you translate it. Small sentence. Okay. इधर आओ. Like this. इधर आओ. First sentence. इधर आओ. This is the very normal or very common sentence. Come here. इसका इंग्लिश होगा
Come here.
come here. Yes.
yes ठीक
ओके
है।
यहाँ खड़े हो जाओ.
Come steady.
यस टेल मी. यहाँ खड़े हो जाओ.
मैम come
आवाज नहीं आ रही. मे आई ऑडिबल टू यू?
मैम come steady.
बनीता मैम यू टोल्ड मी. टेल मी बनीता मैम.
what? Please repeat again.
यहाँ खड़े हो जाओ.
Stand up here.
यस
Stand
स्टैंड
up.
अप. रिपीट साहिल repeat the sentence which sentence ma'am had
ठीक है.
told us. Yeah,
Stand
repeat.
up.
Stand here. We can say stand here also. Yes.
Yes.
Usually we call stand here, but the right like stand up here.
और हम
Stand
जैसे
up
कहते हैं, सीधे खड़े हो जाइए. स्टैंड अप.
stand here.
अगर मैंने बोला
Yes.
आपसे आप सीधे खड़े हो जाइए तो आप क्या बोलेंगे? व्हाट इज द ट्रांसलेशन ऑफ दिस सेंटेंस? वनीता मैम.
Stand straight. Stand straight.
Stand straight, or we can say stand upright. Stand upright.
Upright. Upright.
ठंड बढ़ रही है. इट्स ट्रू कि ठंड बढ़ रही है. यस मैम. साहिल यू ट्राई. You think about that. After that you just tell us ना. Okay संतोष मैम you try. You will you try? ठंड बढ़ रही है.
Cold is increasing.
It's getting.
Okay, we can say it is freezing.
It's
Freezing means we can say ये जम रहा है, मतलब more than we can say.
it's getting colder. Also we can say
Getting
it's
is the like for the returning, but when we talk about the spoken spoken always drag the new words. We are just they are called is increasing. We are spoke like that.
Yes.
Maybe sometimes I feel there are the differences.
getting
Getting,
ना, किसी
increasing.
काम कोई काम है किसी दूसरे के थ्रू हो रहा है तो दैट्स व्हाई वी यूज गेटिंग का. जैसे ठंड बढ़ रही है और बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी पड़ रही है तो दिस इज बेस्ड ऑल द थिंग्स बेस्ड ऑन द क्लाइमेट or our weather forecasting na. So that's why getting used is there. It's getting colder. Yeah, it's getting cold.
Getting
अंधेरा हो
cold.
रहा है.
Okay.
अंधेरा हो रहा है. How could we make it?
I could
Sahil, you
make
just
it.
keep the notebook or your pen. Notebook और पेन आप लेकर बैठिए, आप उसको फ्रेम करिए, आपको आ जाएगा. आप नोटबुक लेके बैठिए. ऐसे आपको ना, दिस इज द स्टार्टिंग ना, सो दैट्स व्हाई यू फेस सम प्रॉब्लम.
It becomes dark.
या यू जस्ट टेक आउट योर नोटबुक एंड पेन ना. या अंधेरा हो रहा है. व्हाट इज दैट? हाउ कैन बी ट्रांसलेटेड, बनीता मैम?
It becomes dark.
It's getting darkness again.
Yes. Situation has been changed according to the weather. So whenever the situation is not in our hand, the situation is handed over to others. तो हम उस सिचुएशन में हम गेटिंग का ही यूज़ करेंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, मैंने अपना AC इंस्टॉल करवाया है, तो हाउ टू मेक इट? गेटिंग का यूज़ यहाँ भी होगा.
I install. I get my AC installed.
Yes. I have got my AC installed. Getting की थर्ड फॉर्म का यूज करेंगे हम, got का यूज करेंगे यहाँ पर. I have got my AC installed, मतलब किसी के
Installed.
द्वारा कराया है, किसी के थ्रू वर्क कराया है. अंधेरा बढ़ता जा रहा है.
मैम इसकी वो क्या होगी? इसमें थर्ड फॉर्म लगेगी ना मैम?
यस थर्ड फॉर्म, इसमें थर्ड फॉर्म का यूज होगा. राइट डाउन इन योर नोटबुक. अंधेरा बढ़ता जा रहा है. लाइक सबसे पहले आप हिंदी सेंटेंस लिखिए. आफ्टर दैट यू शुड फ्रेम इन इंग्लिश. ओके. अंधेरा बढ़ता जा रहा है. यस मैम.
I think darkness is getting increased.
देखिए, जैसे कि फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई वुड लाइक टू से कि गेटिंग, इट्स ओके गेटिंग का यूज़, लेकिन बढ़ता जा रहा है या फिर अंधेरा हो रहा है, गर्मी बढ़ रही है, ठंड बढ़ रही है, इन सब चीज़ों के लिए जो वेदर, जैसे कोल्ड है, तो कोल्ड को हम कंपैरेटिव में चेंज कर देंगे. कोल्डर हो जाएगा उसका. और डार्क, अंधेरा होता जा रहा है, तो उसको हम डार्क को डार्कर में चेंज कर देंगे, क्योंकि सिचुएशन चेंज होती जा रही है मोर एंड मोर.
We have to use degrees.
Degrees.
We
Okay.
have to use comparative degree here. Comparative degree. More darker
So
तो हम नहीं बोल सकते.
what is the right answer? What is the right answer?
It's getting darker.
It's getting darker. It's का यूज करना ही करना है. Getting लगाना ही लगाना है. और अंधेरा बढ़ता जा रहा है, इसके लिए हम यूज करेंगे डार्कर, कोल्डर, या जो भी सिचुएशन हो उसके अकॉर्डिंग हम लगाएंगे.
Yes.
नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस इज तुम थके हुए लग रहे हो. तुम थके हुए लग रहे हो.
You seem tired. It's simple.
You look
You
tired. You look
getting
tired.
tired. You look tired. Okay.
You look tired. You look tired.
I think you are looking tired.
Yeah,
Yes,
दिख रहा है.
you
You are
look
looking tired. Yes, this is also correct.
Looking tired is perfect. Yeah.
In continuous
looking
tense,
tired.
continuous tense is there. Yeah. वह गवार लगता है. साहिल, you note down or not?
He is looking like foolish.
क्या मैं बोला था?
वह गवार लगता है. लगता है. What is the scenario about according to the tense? What
He
is the,
looks stupid. Nonsense.
Yeah. He looks rustic, stupid, nonsense. So many words for this, na? Rustic also a new word. Rustic.
मैम वे की दे होगी ना?
Yes.
Okay.
You have to start from the beginning, from the basic things.
You have to start from the scratch. Then you will get the sentences.
Yes.
First of all, the structure is not
Not
clear.
our language. It will take time. It's not our language.
Because native, everything you learned from the basic native language, so you have you should spend a lot of time with English. After that, you should gain something. ओके और ज़्यादा बदतर होता जा रहा है, मतलब मौसम क्या है, चेंज हो गया, वेदर सीजन चेंज हो गया है, विंटर सीजन हैज़ बिगन, और ज़्यादा बदतर होता जा रहा है, तो हाउ टू मेक इट?
मैम बख्तर को इंग्लिश में क्या बोलेंगे?
और ज़्यादा वर्ड्स कंडीशन वर्ड्स होती जा रही है, WORS वर्ड्स. ओके बनीता मैम, यू स्टार्ट.
It becomes more worse more.
इसलिए we should use getting here. We should use getting word, getting.
Okay. It is क्या weather
और
is
ज़्यादा
getting
बदतर होता जा रहा
worse.
है.
Weather is getting more worse.
Yeah, no, more is not used, only words. Yeah,
Okay.
it's getting words. Okay, whenever we talk about weather or in any condition, so you should not define again and again the weather is this. Instead weather, you should use its. Its is the pronoun. Its is the pronoun. You should use its for the weather forecasting or other things also. मैं ऊब रहा हूँ या मैं ऊब रही हूँ.
I am getting bored.
Yes, I am getting bored because this sentence is in our conversation, in daily conversation. We most of the time we use this. I am getting bored. So ये हमारी टंग पर आ गया है.
Another word I can use monotonous. I am getting monotonous.
Yes.
Monotonous. It's monotonous pronunciation.
Monotonous. Okay.
Monotonous.
Like
Monotonous.
if we talk about the pronunciation, so pronunciation compare and there. So how can you pronounce it? Compare को कैसे pronounce करेंगे? How should you pronounce it?
Compare.
There. THERE there. How could we pronounce it? There. Compare.
There.
मतलब इसको हम कभी हम ऐसे बोल जाते हैं, there is a you stand there. this is wrong totally. We usually speak out compare. What is the meaning? What is the pronunciation? It's wrong, totally wrong. Compare there. Na? If we talk about native speakers or other foreigners also, they speak out very clearly. Their pronunciation is very clear.
That's why we are saying that they are native.
That's why they are.
Most of the people are speaking like that. Career. For career they are using career, but career is consider career means behind the cycle.
Yes.
Career. It's career. Yes.
और pronunciation,
it's matter.
नहीं, एक्चुअली जो साइकिल के पीछे होता है that is also कैरियर बोलते हैं उसको, CARRIER, और CARRER करियर होता है, जो we have maintain our career in our life. वह तैयार हो रहा है.
He is getting ready.
Yeah, he
is getting ready.
He is getting ready. He is getting dressed. मैं थक रहा हूँ.
I am getting exhausted, tired.
वे थक
You
रहे
are
हैं.
mute.
I'm drained out, I can say.
Yes, another word.
Drained
मैम
out.
थकने क्या होगी?
Drained out ना?
Yes, drained out.
Okay.
Drained out.
वे बूढ़े हो रहे हैं. Situation will be changed.
Monica ma'am, your voice is breaking up. Maybe network issues there. I'm not getting proper what you are saying.
Okay. What should I do? After I rejoin, na? I'll rejoin. Vanita ma'am, my voice is not clear to you also?
No. You are breaking.
Okay. Okay, I will.
And how is your practice going on, Santosh ma'am? You are great.